Check out the 2021 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck and is priced below $75,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, bed liner, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, traction control, stability control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries.